Imagine managing a massive orchestra where the music keeps changing. New instruments are constantly introduced and audience preferences evolve every week. Even if every musician is highly skilled and plays brilliantly on their own, without a conductor, the result wouldn't be so harmonious. It would be noise, not music. The conductor's role is crucial. They guide each section, ensuring that every part works together, stays in sync, and produces something beautiful. Business transformation is no different. Even if every department excels at what it does, without someone to align efforts, set priorities, and ensure cohesion, transformation efforts can quickly spiral into organisational chaos. And this is where the Chief Transformation Officer, or CTO, comes in. The CTO acts like the conductor. They lead transformation efforts, ensuring that all parts of the business work in unison toward shared strategic goals. To succeed in a rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations need two key elements: a Chief Transformation Officer and a well-structured transformation office. Together, they drive continuous change, ensuring that the organization not only adapts, but also leads in its industry. Now let's bring this idea to life with a real-world example. Consider a traditional car manufacturer. As competition intensifies, they realize that building and selling cars is no longer enough. To stay competitive, they need to transform into a mobility solutions provider, offering services like car sharing, electric vehicles, and smart fleet management. In this scenario, the CTO defines the transformation vision, shifting from a product-based business to a service-orientated one. Meanwhile, the Transformation Office handles the execution. They implement AI-driven fleet optimization. They coordinate across departments and ensure that new initiatives align with long-term sustainability goals. It's not a one-off initiative. It's an ongoing journey. That's what makes transformation so challenging and so critical to get right. Many organizations make the mistake of treating transformation like a project, with a defined start and an end. But in reality, transformation is like a flowing river. It never stops. Projects may begin and end, but transformation itself must be continuous. Without sustained effort, even successful initiatives can lose momentum. Teams revert to old behaviours and organisations risk falling behind. One way to avoid this is by setting clear milestones. And these milestones allow teams to measure progress, celebrate wins, and identify where adjustments are needed. For example, a retail company undergoing digital transformation might set milestones such as increasing online sales by 20% within a year, or they might aim to launch personalized recommendation engines within 6 months. Regularly reviewing these milestones keeps the momentum alive. It also ensures that transformation efforts remain focused and aligned with strategic priorities. Now let's talk about what makes a great CTO. A great CTO is more than a strategic thinker. They're a navigator, capable of steering the organization through uncertainty and change. They don't just react to challenges, they anticipate them. They possess exceptional communication skills, ensuring that everyone from the executive team to frontline employees understands the transformation journey. But perhaps most importantly, a great CTO is an influential leader. They inspire teams to embrace change, to foster a culture of innovation, and create an environment where continuous improvement is part of daily life. Beyond strategic leadership, CTOs need cross-functional expertise. They need to understand how different parts of the business, technology, operations, marketing, finance, etc., how they interconnect. Adaptability is another key trait. In today's volatile business environment, plans often change, and great CTOs know when to adjust course, when to push forward, and when to recalibrate their strategies. And over time, CTOs may take on different roles. Sometimes they act as a navigator, guiding the organization through a crisis or significant market shift. Other times they become builders, laying down the frameworks and capabilities needed for sustained transformation. And in periods of bold strategic change, they play the role of pioneers, leading efforts to explore new markets, launch innovative products, or reshape business models. So how does the Transformation Office fit into this picture? Think of it as the support system for the entire orchestra. While the CTO sets the direction, the Transformation Office ensures that every initiative is executed effectively. They handle program management, they coordinate cross-functional efforts, and they track progress. They also manage risks, ensuring that any obstacles are addressed before they derail the broader transformation effort. Importantly, many CTOs have used the well-documented BTM² methodology, the Business Transformation Management methodology, as a blueprint for building their transformation offices. BTM² offers a structured framework guiding organizations on how to integrate key functions such as governance, risk, business process management, etc. It's a methodology that has stood the test of time. And by following BTM², organizations can ensure consistency in execution and reporting, making transformation efforts more transparent and easier to manage. Measurement is another critical area where the Transformation Office plays a pivotal role. Without clear metrics, it's impossible to assess whether transformation efforts are really succeeding. Leading indicators such as employee engagement or process adoption rates provide early signs of progress. Meanwhile, lagging indicators like revenue growth or cost reduction reflect long-term impact. For example, a tech company rolling out a new customer relationship management system might initially track user adoption rates, but over time, they'd also measure improvements in customer retention and satisfaction. But tracking metrics is only half the battle. Organizations that excel at transformation go a step further. They use advanced dashboards to provide real-time insights into progress, risks, and outcomes. And this allows leadership to make data-driven decisions and intervene promptly when issues arise. Another common challenge is resistance to change. Even when a transformation effort is well planned, people may hesitate to adopt new processes or tools. And this is why effective change management is at the core of successful transformation. The best CTOs and transformation offices, they engage employees early. They communicate openly about what's changing and why, and they provide ongoing support. Workshops, training sessions, and feedback loops are really powerful tools for overcoming resistance like this. When employees feel heard and supported, they're far more likely to embrace change and contribute to its success. Now let's touch on one of the more crucial elements: business process management. Just as a well-tuned engine ensures a car runs smoothly, optimized processes ensure that an organization operates efficiently. And the Transformation Office plays a key role in managing and improving these processes. They identify inefficiencies, redefine workflows, and implement automation where possible. But BPM isn't a one-time effort. It's a continuous cycle of improvement. Processes need to evolve alongside strategy. ensuring that the organisation remains competitive in a really fast-paced world. Let's end by revisiting our earlier analogy. An orchestra without a conductor may produce sound, but it won't produce beautiful music. Similarly, without a strong CTO and a well-structured transformation office, even the most capable departments can end up working in silos. And the result? Fragmented efforts and missed opportunities. Transformation isn't a destination, it's a journey. And like any journey, it requires clear direction, a reliable guide, and the ability to adapt when the landscape changes. With a great CTO leading the way and a dedicated transformation office supporting execution, organizations can navigate this journey confidently, turning challenges into opportunities and really driving long-term success. Let's return to the orchestra analogy for a moment. A world-class orchestra isn't just about having the best musicians. It's about having a skilled conductor and a dedicated support team that can turn individual brilliance into a breathtaking performance. Your organization may have talented individuals and teams, innovative ideas and ambitious goals, but without a chief transformation officer to guide the vision and a well-structured transformation office to execute it, those efforts may never come together to create truly lasting value. Transformation isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous performance. The music never stops. The instruments keep changing, and the conductor must always be ready to adapt to new compositions. So ask yourself, do you have the right leadership and framework in place to ensure your organization's transformation produces harmony, not noise? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on leading transformation. You'll find some helpful resources below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.